Hi, Misha Breach agus is Misha an Irish language teacher and Munchor Gaeilge. Okay, so I just want to continue with the cá bhfuil mo, cá bhfuil do, and I'm going to use the vocabulary in the at home Sawalia section of the Irish language phrase card. It's just down at the bottom in purple. Okay, so as we know, the words mo and do mean my and your, and those words change the sound of the word that comes after them slightly, so keep your ears open for that. Okay, so at home, Sawalia. House, Chalk. Cá bhfuil mo theach. Cá bhfuil do theach. Food, bia. Cá bhfuil mo bhia, cá bhfuil do bhia. Bicycle, rother. Cá bhfuil mo rother, cá bhfuil do rother. Car, gluaisteáin. Cá bhfuil mo gluaisteáin, cá bhfuil do gluaisteáin. Now, there is another word for car, which is simply car. Cá bhfuil mo char, cá bhfuil do char. Truck, lorry. Cá bhfuil mo lorry, cá bhfuil do lorry. Dog, madra or madu. Cá bhfuil mo wadra, cá bhfuil do wadra. Cá bhfuil mo wadu, cá bhfuil do wadu. Woman, ban. Cá bhfuil mo van, cá bhfuil do van. Man, far. Cá bhfuil mo ar, cá bhfuil do ar. Child, páiste. Cá bhfuil mo fáiste, cá bhfuil do fáiste. Sin é, go raibh maith agah, slán go fóill.